If the issue is new to us, how to handle the situation with the team and managers. Yes, that's what I mentioned in earlier one. If the issue is completely new, you're not able to understand what exactly happened. Okay, you don't take too many times this kind of thing, then they will consider that you don't have knowledge. Okay, but if you are completely blank and you're not able to understand, please check with your colleague, another MM colleague, if you have a good rapport, and if you can explain a bit and piece, if you're able to grasp it and work on the ticket, proceed it. Otherwise, you have to inform your team lead or a manager. So I think please assign this ticket to someone. Okay, I think I may not be able to finish or something, you can take it. But that is one way. Otherwise, sir, I think this ticket I'm not able to understand. Can you ask Gaurav or somebody to explain me so that I will work on that? I need little guidance for this ticket to handle. That also good thing. Compared to completely transfer to somebody, get some guidance and resolve it. It will be a learning for you, and also the attitude also will be liked by the manager. You didn't say that please assign to somebody. You are asking that please give me some guidance, some support to resolve this ticket. I will do on my own, but I may need more questions or I may need more dependency.